Look at yourself. Tango. Only one wheel. Hey.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me.
My people, my ever-blessed people. Today, exciting moment. I ever-blessed and Dave Thompson a journey to downtown Tampa. Whoa! You see that people? How much did I carry Dave Thompson? So my people, 7 cars? Yeah, I like to see that truck. How they travel with the thing. And downtown Tampa, my people, is a different route. This time from the one that I showed you previously. And my ever-blessed people, I am expecting some exciting scenery. Just stay tuned and watch how we are going to take them on. Little by little, bit by bit. And Thompson family is here. And video is coming out shortly. Not too long from now, my people. I'm going to give you the suspense for too long.
Might make some footage tonight.
Eh?
Make some footage tonight on my phone.
Yes, my brother. I'm going to interview you. Yeah, on my channel. Oh, at Tampa. Downtown. Branch and go it. That way. Yeah. Bridge like songs. That way. Downtown Tampa. Known for bridges. And we're gonna have fun. We just wait and you will see. Ever blessed people. Tampa, Florida. We're gonna do it. Make everybody see it. So Dave Thompson family. So you said we're going in Riverwalk?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So how far away from Riverwalk is the aquarium?
The aquarium is right here.
Oh, yeah.
You know, right past the aquarium?
The aquarium is right there?
Yeah, it's right here.
Not too far yet?
It's a channel side. We're at channel side right now.
Yeah.
To your left right here, it's the aquarium right here.
The aquarium is to your left?
Yes.
Oh.
The glass building.
Okay. Oh, there.
Yeah.
There. That's the aquarium of people. That's where you can go and put it where they have the fish and the shark and all different type of species.
Yeah,
it's right in there. Right. There. The aquarium is there. Right. So what's the feel like for going to in places like that?
The field?
Yeah? Like if you buy a ticket to go in, that building is tall, Dave.
Yeah. Apartment.
Is that an apartment building?
Yeah.
I thought it was an hotel.
Maybe, but I think it's an apartment.
Oh my goodness. Oh, really? Nice. Downtown Tampa. Jano. Again, different place this time with people. Just hoping that this is it's really creative. You see the creativeness in this one, Thompson family?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah man, it's really nice.
I forget the name of the stadium, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna see it soon.
This is a stadium?
Yeah.
Why did they do that?
Oh, the Emily Arena. Okay, Emily Arena. That's
Emily?
Yeah, Emily Arena.
Emily. Hey.
Okay, they changed the name so many times.
Okay.
They have a lot of concerts in here, sports.
Yes.
They used to play hockey right here. Tampa Nightlife used to play right here.
Okay.
I don't even know if they still play here. They probably still play here. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Emily Arena. Right?
Yes. So people is having food right there. Hey, these dogs. Look at them. Nice dogs. Nice dogs. See that? Live hockey in that area?
Yeah, live hockey.
Oh wow.
Championship 2022, 2021. Yeah, world champion.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there. Downtown. Church building.
Yeah. PNC. That's what that mean? I want to put out as much information as possible. So my people, there goes Thompson family. I'm gonna be Dave Thompson's gonna be making a video today, and as soon as that video is posted, I'll inform you. This statue here, what it stand for? This one here.
I don't know. Walking in front of.
Nice statue. Yeah.
It's just a moment, past midnight.
Yeah. Nice place.
And there she goes.
Oh, there she goes.
We was in the middle, like, we been there for a while.
She's hungry.
And the food right there. Oh, the 7 doors.
This place is nice. This place is nice. Mr. Thompson. This is nice. This place is nice. That chips.
Yeah, manatees. Watch out for the manatees.
Oh, so that mean they live in the water?
Yeah, they live in the water. They're real big and they swim real high
Oh,
on top of the water.
so they will attack you?
No,
Okay,
they're
okay,
real nice. They don't bite or nothing like that.
okay, okay,
They real slow.
okay,
They just saying the boaters.
okay, okay.
You know, like the propellers and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Oh, oh, okay, okay, I get it. Park is nice though. Park is really nice. Hey, bike. Hey, hey, hey. See that, my people? Woo, that was quick. Aye. That guy, he moved fast. Oh, they don't allow vehicles to drive it. That's how they put there. What? He's back. He's. Hey! Hey! Blessed love, my G. See, see. The beauty of this park continue, my people. And we are take time walk through, show you downtown Tampa to the T. Walk into another busy area and be a family I walk through. And see what we can see. Nice place though. Really nice here.
Out spring. That's a scary part for Halloween.
Okay.
You know, like you see the stuff at Home Depot.
Yes. Yeah.
That's a part.
Oh Lord.
Yeah. Walk through it and just you
Oh.
ready to go. You scared?
No, I'm not scared of it. No, I'm not.
Yeah, you think you're scared. Yeah. But you see it when you get past it, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey! This guy can really go. Guess the same, I'm really professional. The same, I got you? The width of this bridge. You can just imagine the amount of lane with it. Downtown Tampa. Chino Star. Downtown Tampa. Ever bless I do it. Make everybody see it. And Thompson family say, yeah. Thompson family, we don't see a record now. Now I go on. This dog is big. Yeah, yeah. So my people, this area that you're looking at is a bridge. So which way say it go? It go straight up in the sky or it flip this way?
The big part over here, it goes down.
Yeah?
As it goes down, the bridge goes up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the bridge goes up.
Okay. Okay. I've never seen I've seen this on TV people. Yeah. So that give way for the bigger boats that travel through this area. Nice. Mankind is very creative. And that one is what? The-
That, the building,
yeah.
that's the River Center. They have it's like an art center.
Okay.
They have
Okay.
like little shows and stuff like
Okay. Nice. The river walker. Nice. This guy been running the whole park, bro.
that. Both of guys.
Yeah.
Back and forth. More partners.
Yeah. So as we traverse through this here, my people, as you can see, you have people who hang out at different spots at different times, just enjoying the beautiful view that I'm showing to you, my people. Night view of Tampa, downtown. Yeah. And thanks to family, I carry me through, my people. I appreciate this walk, you know. Really appreciate it. And the park continues with a lot of monuments, you know. Yes. That's a hotel. The name Berry. Woo, 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 woo! Hey, can I get a ride? I front one, what are the front one? The front one, I like. It's very fast. You don't feel it, young people?
Huh?
Tampa River Center. You see how many people? Tampa River Center. Oh, that's the above part. This place is nice, man. Eh? Very nice place. Very nice place. That's another hotel again? That's another, is a center? Yes, it's a center.
It's like performing arts center. The orchestra,
Oh,
ballet, and stuff.
okay, okay.
The art center. Play show.
Enjoy, my people, enjoy. That's what I'm here for. Showcase beautiful places to you. Promise you, my people, that I was going to take my country to the world, and here I am, showcasing different places. Hi, nice place, very nice. So right here, my people, it's a bridge. That's a train line that is in the sky there. So when the train approaches, that goes down. Train go through, then it go back in the sky. Oh, sweet. Look at this, people. On the height of this one here. Wow. How many floors are there? In this the one? Oh, about 27? About 20? About 25? Man, it's huge and tall.
Yeah.
Way up in the sky there. Kind of one there. Tall. Yeah. So this one, I'll turn the camera upside down and see if it'll catch it. All right. See them people. River walk. Doing a long trail. Oh, the line goes. Oh, the train line. That's that part of the bridge too.
That's the train line.
Yeah. But some part here is getting dark, Mr. Thompson. So we're gonna walk along the road. We're all the way up back to the car now. Chaja Youth. River Walk. Downtown Tampa. Hey, wait on him. Yeah. Make it across in one piece. Yes. This is beautiful, isn't it? Very nice. Can buy a soda? Just an advertisement boy. Tampa Airport. This bike is cute. Look at this bike, people. Nice. Big up, big up, big up. Your bike nice. Chada Youth. Yeah, man, that one really nice. Tampa Museum Art, eh? Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, come on, brother. Give me some of them action there. Can I record you? Okay. You go, brother. Hey, Shaja Youth. Can I record you too? Hey, hey. Dave, you see these guys are crazy? Hey. Then let's say hotter than you, Dave. And look at it.
Watch this, y'all. Watch this.
You on YouTube?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber. Everblessed Family TV. I do travel vlogs. This little man here, where can you manage? Yes, bro, go.
I got you.
Yeah. Are you scared, little man? Hey, they're crazy down there. Wow. The one that bad, don't they? Track tonight bad too, no? Give me something, little man. Give me something, little man.
You better
Bad
watch out.
song, bad
Your
song.
enemies a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest
Yeah.
the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop
This guy here is my subscriber. Just subscribe to Everblessed Family. And I am here with some crazy bikers. And they're gonna show me some action. They're gonna give me some action. Give me some action, Mijay. Hey, yeah. And I'm in this. Hey! Yeah. These guys are heartless. Mash up your show now, Mijay. This one is this. Hey, these cyclists are. That's my subscriber, my people. This one here. Hey, 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 man, them bad. That one is. This one here is my subscriber. Hey! These guys are. This mic is back! See my people? So this
How
one.
many people I told today?
This one is my people.
You know how many people I helped today?
Nice, Mike.
You know how many people I helped today?
But I say, we're gonna see up more person. Them bad. That truck down there. Pick up. Hey! them bad, man. The people, you them bad. You them full of talent, I tell you, man. Lift him up. That little one there is bad. This one too. Big up, big up. Big up yourself, G. Jano. Only one wheel. Hey. The people, you say man bad. I might teacher for them around here. Are you a teacher for them? Are you do the teaching for them?
Huh?
You teach the youths?
I gotta teach them. They know. They just can't go all day like me.
Oh
They're
boy.
gonna do like 50 miles.
You do what?
50 miles.
Come on, brother. I'm a YouTuber. I'm recording.
Yeah?
You can check me out on, my name is Everblessed Family on YouTube, Jamaica. Check me out. Yes, this brother out, check me out. My people, this, the people, the man wear a shoes. On the inside, wear a wheel, and wear a shoes. The people, they go check out Everbless Family TV right now and give me full support. Man, full of talent like nothing. Let me see if I can find my name. Now record that.
You from Jamaica?
Yes, brother.
So you live here?
No, brother, I'm visiting.
Oh, you visited?
Yeah.
So you do a lot of the bike life stuff over there?
I know, bro. Yes, I see that there's some guys there that does a lot of riding there. And I'm gonna ask if you please to share this link with the youngsters.
Okay.
And I wonder if I should give you my number that you could call me and I come back and record it.
You can give me your number, it don't matter.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna screenshot this.
Hey, look,
My people.
make sure you have somebody to go with. You know what I'm saying? It's family. You know?
Yeah.
I know somebody that stays over there. His name is Biggs. I don't know if y'all know him. It's Bob Marley's grandson.
Oh.
So, like I went to New York this past month, and
Yeah.
just went by
Yeah.
and met him over there.
Yeah.
To a dirt bike event.
Yeah.
So I met him over there.
Yes.
And he's a real humble guy, real nice
Yes.
guy. Like he didn't even say, "Oh, I'm related to Bob Marley." You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like, my friend told me.
Yes.
And I asked him, he's like, yeah. My mom told his daughter. So I was like, nice.
Real talent you guys have
He live
here.
in New York. He's like, oh, I live in Jamaica. And my mom's over here doing a show, and I came over here to see my mom's show.
Yes.
So he's like, when you go to Jamaica, let me know.
Yeah.
Take you everywhere over there.
Yeah, good. Guy has real talent, my people. Real talent. Real talent. The man,
sir, yes, sir.
my people, I'm gonna show you something. The man supposed to have on a wheel right there, so I'm gonna have on 2 baby shoes.
That's my kickstand. My kickstand.
Oh, I saw you do it. Oh no, my people, can you see that? The man is wearing a Oh Jaja. You guys are, I wish I had those riders down there you could link up. And some guys from the state journey down and give them a lot of bikes. The other,
That's D-Blocks. He's from New York.
you know the guy?
Yeah.
Come on, brother, you know
He's
what?
over here, he rides with me too.
Yeah, you what?
Yeah.
You said you were in Jamaica giving away bikes too?
I haven't went to Jamaica. I haven't went.
Okay.
But I know a lot of them.
You got to see, these guys are talented.
I know a lot of the people that went to Jamaica.
Wow. Bro, make a trip down December and hit me up. That's my number. What's that? Really? Appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Appreciate you. And you follow me.
Yes, sir.
Well,
I will.
and you give me a call.
Yes, sir.
And if it is, and I will.
All right. I'm not trying to do it. Ready got broke change. All right. You want more? One more?
Yes, man. But
All right.
the full support for me is to share
Yeah,
the
I
link
will.
with the youngsters, bro.
I'll put it on my page.
And leave a comment for me.
Yes, sir.
Big up yourself. Look, man. Hey. My people, my Chachayot. The man is. Hey. I said. These guys have talent. Hey, he's coming back. Oh, we should have seen go up. Chachayot. Man, bad. And he's an elder. He's not saying he's one of the young like them. Hey, you have talent, bro. Oh, you mean. Okay, Dave, that truck that's not gonna move. We got to go. Wait. So, my people, this is Everbless. I represent and I link up and I big up
What's
yourself.
going on YouTube? We're back with another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for another video.
Yeah, bad rider. You know, my name is Everbless Family TV. Everbless Family
Subscribe to my
TV.
YouTube channel at BikeLife.com.
You have,
Of course.
bro. Come on, Dave. Get this link, Dave.
What is it?
Bike Life Con.
Right.
Right?
Bike Life Con. Con.
Bike Life Con.
C-O-N. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you this, I promise you.
Yeah.
Tonight,
Yeah.
look out for your blessed family in your comments.
Okay, cool.
Because I don't play, brother.
Awesome.
We can share it.
Awesome, bro.
Great talent,
You
you.
got Instagram?
No.
No Instagram?
Yeah.
Only YouTube? Man, how much gigabytes you got on that thing? That shit recording forever.
It can't record forever. But I cut it short because I don't want.
Do you edit your videos?
Yes, yes.
You trim them up a lot?
Yes, yes.
What do you do for YouTube? You just put, like content creation?
Content creation,
You
yes.
just walk around and
Yes. I do travel vlogs,
That's
yes.
awesome. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica. Awesome.
Yes.
What makes you come out here?
Florida's just nice, bro.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Jamaica.
Cool. Lot of rivers. Nice food.
I want to go out there and visit.
Bro, the best food you can ever.
You have to have a visa?
Hit up with. Yes.
Passport, yeah.
No, you can't have a passport.
Yeah, passport.
You're from here?
You
You sound fluent.
Yeah, born and raised.
Okay, awesome.
link up that him when he's
So are
coming.
you guys related?
Yeah, we cousins. Yes. It's great having you, man. My people, when I'm a subscriber.
Awesome, man. Sweet, bro.
No, just subscribe to my page.
Okay.
Yeah. He's gonna subscribe to my page, my people. He's a YouTuber.
Good.
Yeah.
Love.
And then you leave a comment and then I'll find you. My people.
Let me hold it.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
We're gonna put it in there.
Yes.
This is nice. What camera is it? GoPro Hero.
Yeah.
Which one? 9?
11.
11. Nice.
Yeah.
I got the 9. Just typing it in now.
And
5
then-
hours of footage left.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Sweet. Comment on the video. That's awesome.
Slow. Look at that.
That's it. That's it.
That's your name you just put in?
Con, that's my name.
Yeah, bro. Tonight.
Sweet, bro.
Support.
It's all love, bro. It's all love.
Big up yourself.
You guys be safe out here, man.
Yeah, man.
Have a great night.
Yes, sir. And this shock here, my people.
You was cool, nigga. Yeah. Did you know what?
Shock. What? You having fun there, Mr. Thompson? What's it? Mr. Thompson. What you? Nightlife, downtown Tampa. Mad thing. Trust me. Mad thing. Downtown Tampa, nice. Remember me telling you that. Yeah, man. Only across the street. People, yeah. No one down across the street and you want to stop in the park. See? Bad habit. Nightlife! Downtown Tampa. See the people. Never bless is doing it. That everybody can see.